On the second year of Pulwama attack, I salute all the braveheart policemen who laid their life for the country. This attack gives us a number of lessons. Firstly, Pakistan, not only the military and ISI, but their establishment was also involved in such attacks, like Mr. Fawad Chaudhry mentioned in his parliament the kind of involvement showing the bravado that they have done a great job. The second thing is that it exposed Pakistan in the international community as to what they are doing. It also exposed that in the diplomatic community, if you have a bad name, you do come under a lot of pressure. The fact that after the Balakot strike, they had to return Abhinandan within 24 hours, I think that says everything. There are some military lessons. Firstly, we need to improve our capabilities in terms of Air Force. A MiG-21 had to take on F-16. Certainly, we need more state-of-the-art aircraft, which is being done with the induction of Rafale. 2, it confirmed that a space exists for conventional options, a space exists for punishing the terrorist even under the nuclear hangover. Before Balakot strike, which happened as a result of this terror attack, it was being believed, and Pakistan every time used to say, if you cross the line of control, I'll respond with nuclear weapon. But the Balakot strike explained that we will cross the line of actual control, we will punish the terrorists, and you cannot respond by nuclear weapons. So this myth was removed. The third thing was a need for strike drones was felt. If we had strike drones, perhaps we may not have required the surgical strikes, perhaps we may not have required the Balakot strike. So you can destroy terror camps by strike drones. There are some organizational lessons which came up. Intelligence setup, I think, is much more synergized now. Pakistan has tried a similar attack and a number of similar attacks, but they all have failed because of convergence of effort of the intelligence agencies and of the security agencies. However, much more technological upgrade is required, which I am sure is being done. The second thing was that it was also a message to the local collaborators that nobody will be spared. Everybody who was involved with this terror attack was traced and brought to books. The fact that such major attack could not happen subsequently, it also shows that the alertness did improve. It also brought to focus that the contingents or the convoys which are passing, they must follow the standard operating procedures, and despite the hurry to go back, perhaps a little more caution is required. So all in all, I think this has taught a large number of lessons. It is also a fact that because of this, the terrorism will not end, nor will Pakistani's efforts will end. So we need to be a little more careful, and the hybrid war will continue.